Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how to make video blurry on Capcut using your iPhone. So here in my project I want to make this video blurry. So what I have to do is just click on this effects on the editing options below the screen like this, and then choose video effects here, and then you can search for blur. So this for example, you can choose this and you can look at the preview at the screen. But because I want to make the blurry more interesting, I'm going to choose this halo blur. This halo blur effect is my most favorite effect of any other blurry effects in Capcut. So I'm going to adjust the speed here. I'm going to decrease the speed a little bit. I'm going to make it 12. And see at the preview here. So I'm going to make it lower again by 5. Or by 6, and I think it's enough, so I'm just going to click this check icon here and preview it again in the big screen like this. And that's how we make video blurry on Capcut using iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in another tutorial from this channel. Bye bye.